The Metaverse, what it is and how you can get involved. The Metaverse is the name given to the next version of the internet. Just ask the CEO of Facebook, which rebranded itself as Meta in 2021 after CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced the social networking platform's ambition to become a Metaverse company. But what exactly is the Metaverse? Where can I find it? What difference does it make? And more importantly, how do you and I gain access? Let's find out in today's video. Watch till the end and subscribe to Metagate for more such uploads. Here we begin! The Metaverse is a shared immersive virtual world network where people can socialize, play games, work, and shop. Consider the Metaverse cyberspace or an evolved three-dimensional internet where no login is required. It may also include virtual and augmented reality elements. The concept of a single universally recognized metaverse is still speculative, the stuff of science fiction. However, this hasn't stopped some tech behemoths from creating metaverse-like experiences such as virtual fashion shows, live concerts, and workspaces. Web3 versus Metaverse. The term metaverse is sometimes used interchangeably with another buzzword, Web3. While the two concepts are similar in that they both depict a future version of the internet, they are not identical and should not be used interchangeably. Web3 refers to a decentralized internet built on a blockchain foundation. The central premise of Web3 is that power over the internet will eventually shift away from a few tech behemoths and toward the many individual users and developers. None of Web3's core tenets contradict those of the metaverse. In the future, both visions will coexist. Difference between the internet and metaverse. The internet is a massive network comprised of billions of computers, millions of servers, and other electronic devices. Internet users can communicate with one another, view and interact with websites, and buy and sell goods and services once they are online. The metaverse does not compete with the internet but expands upon it. Users navigate a virtual world that mimics aspects of the physical world using technologies such as virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, artificial intelligence or AI, social media, and digital currency in the metaverse. People go on the internet to browse. People can, however, live in the metaverse to some extent. Governments may also expand their reach into the metaverse. For example, while most countries maintain a relatively static presence on the internet, Barbados intends to open a diplomatic embassy in the metaverse, specifically the online world of a Decentraland. The internet's expansion has spawned many services that are paving the way for the creation of the metaverse. In gaming, you can see Roblox, Minecraft, and other immersive video games, even Zoom, foreshadowing what the metaverse is designed to offer, said Ben Baharid, an analyst at Creative Strategies. You even have some kind of social media presence. What can you do in the metaverse? With the broad definitions out of the way, let's look at some specific actions you can already carry out in the metaverse. Number 1. Establish a network. Meta's metaverse will be primarily a social platform. After all, it wouldn't be much of a virtual reality if users didn't have the opportunity to interact in some way. Sure, this applies to crypto exchanges and NFT purchases, but it also includes traditional socializing. Roblox, a digital gaming platform, is a great example of this. In 2020, it was played by over half of all children under 16. Roblox is a platform where users can access a library of video games created entirely by Roblox users. Its library currently contains over 20 million games, many of which can generate revenue for the designers. Roblox users can socialize through gameplay and an avatar-based platform similar to the early social media phenomenon Habbo Hotel. It ultimately provides a network for aspiring game designers to test their skills, network with others looking for work in the field, and party. Roblox is just one example of metaverse networking. Professionals have long used social media to connect with peers and clients. The metaverse is a natural extension of that and frequently offers novel and exciting ways to do it. Number 2. Make investments and conduct business. You've probably heard the terms NFT and cryptocurrency unless you've lived under a rock for the last year. Both are important metaverse building blocks and excellent ways for users and businesses to invest in the platform. Cryptocurrency is a broad term that refers to various digital currency platforms. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-known examples. Cryptocurrency is an unregulated digital currency that uses a blockchain system to operate. Its value fluctuates, but long-standing platforms have skyrocketed since their inception. The Metaverse is a worldwide platform. As a result, many of its users prefer cryptocurrency as a form of currency. Investing in it now pays off in the long run as its value continues to rise. When it comes to investing, NFTs have become a mainstay of the metaverse. The term is an abbreviation for non-fungible tokens. This means that an NFT is a one-of-a-kind digital signature that is used as a deed of ownership on digital goods. An NFT can be a work of art, a photograph, a song, or even digital real estate. An NFT certifies the value of whatever it is attached to and authenticates its ownership, which is unique to the item, hence the non-fungible part. So it basically allows you to buy the bricks that make up the internet. NFTs are a great investment right now. NFTs, like cryptocurrency, is rapidly increasing in value. Some of the properties have already sold for millions of dollars. Others, such as the famous Bored Ape series, have been purchased and displayed by notable celebrities such as Justin Bieber, who has recently built up quite the NFT portfolio, and Paris Hilton. NFTs are a good place to start if you want to invest in the metaverse. The value of most NFTs is expected to rise further as they gain popularity. It's also a good time to start making your own. Almost any digital media can be converted into an NFT. If you or the company you work for has a music, photography, or art collection, your potential NFT portfolio may be larger than you realize. Number 3. Shop. Nowadays, cryptocurrency can be used to purchase almost anything in real life. Even New York City Mayor Eric Adams accepted his first salary in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So in that sense, the shopping opportunities in that part of the metaverse are limitless. At the same time, there is a type of shopping that is far more directly related to the metaverse. There's plenty of shopping in this new virtual space. Whether you're stockpiling NFTs or creating your avatar's world on a platform like Roblox. Digital real estate sounds exactly like virtual land in online worlds like Roblox has created. Building identity in the metaverse begins with digital real estate. As the space evolves, platforms like this will become increasingly popular. Meta's current plans include a project called Horizon Worlds, described as Minecraft meets Roblox. Users in these areas can shop for avatar upgrades, from new outfits to sneakers, to new ways to style their digital real estate. It's a way to create an identity for yourself in the metaverse, much like you would in a video game. What do you think about getting into the metaverse? Let us know in the comments below.